Uithya wa indo Jonathan Mueke niwakulya Atongoi Kitui maumanwe na uteti wa nduani na maikwata mbau silikali nene nikana makwate maendeeo ni wasi kisio kita kithitwe kinza wa silikali kwa miaka mingi na kwa sindu mbingi cia maendeeo aineni ya motomo Kitui cha ithio Mueke ni wathingilila kana silikali nene ni yuyumitie kuthukuma na isio cionthe ayikithia kana mautanu ma mashujaa makatwa yewa ku Kitui Onesmus Chalo na mauvo
na livestock.
Muandiki mwatineka mubyane wa indo Jonathan Mueke niwakulya Atongoi kumava ukamba kwekana siasa cia mwaniko na kukwata mbau silikali wala wetekana ukamba withito winza wa silikali na kukosa maendeeo iveta Atongoi kuma ukamba kukwata mbau silikali niko kutumwa ukamba wa kwata maendeeo Mueke weta kinthini wa umbano wa alimu wa mwaka ola watu kwa motomo Kitui cha ithio ona wiyo vanu wetekana kutia kwa siku ya madaraka ile na atwa wa Kitui kunomani akaunti ya Kitui kulia kwithia tena kiwanza kitonya kukwata namba nene ya NMB alama tono vika cha thini kiu kana vaimundu onomwe utona kusianda mbuka ya musumbi ukamba.
It was supposed to be June 1st, but an initial assessment showed that the county is not ready. So it is going to Homa Bay and it will come in October. Wenzangu, I'm talking to you now as leaders because your opinion shapes us. When you speak as teachers, everybody listens. We will have a chance to spend nearly 1 week with President William Ruto in Kitui. Tafadhali tujipange. All the things that affect us as a community, you will be able as teachers to sit down with the president and talk to him about them. Let us not say we are in opposition and we don't want to listen to our government. That is how we are going to develop our county called Kitui. Even our opposition leader who's loved so much in this country, Baba Raila Odinga, my friends, he's always in government. He was in government in 97 with Moi. He was in government with Kibaki. He was in government with Uhuru. And now he's in government with Ruto. There is a reason.
Ingene wenda Atongoi va ukamba maikane na matisia makwenda kutisia musumbi ndakafiki ukamba nondo siku kwa mashujaa kethwa Kitui na ndambuka ya musumbi kete uniko munene lembetani ya ukamba igweta mivango ya kuomba nisichathikiu ni kwambisia
Yualama utabia musumbi ndakoke Kitui memutabia ndakathukume wea wake na itho ni twese musumbi ondo athiuka authukuma kwithukisia ground kwike kana athi aswethia silo kunyeta mundu ni ndini wa serikali na mwana wa Kitui nina kwasi andu ma Kitui niwe moyo muno tondu musumbi ni akoka vano na ni watu nenge ona ya kwika national holiday kono Kitui
one wiyo vanu wetekana ukamba withya wa indo ni wotonya kume mukamba thinani vana wetekana muvia wake ni wikita mivango kwikithia muhimi na mwithi wa indo ni wonikane nima yake.
As a son of Kitui who loves you people very much, I just want us to move ahead because I travel nationally and I can see how the other communities are moving ahead while we are remaining behind being told sisi ni watu wa opposition. The only major community in this country that is not in government. We are the only ones being told government ikileta mradi kwenu mkatae. How will we compete? How will our children compete? When will we create wealth? When shall we build infrastructure? So I'm so passionate because today I know I'm not speaking to regular wananchi. I'm speaking to teachers, the foremost opinion shapers and leaders on the ground.
Tilifote vilingwa Atongoi TV, Nita Onesmus Chalo.